horizon beckons, appealing for an idea, seeking engagement, always. Each time, a step forward, a challenge. Inspiration is right here, ready to leave its mark. This lifeblood flows, body and soul, reason and passion. Each part of us counts. Intuition becomes intention. Intention becomes action. We make our choices with skill and courage. That is how we make the difference. From the whole, the unique, from infinite possibilities, our creation. We have a clear direction. We engage all our energies, and ideas get to work. The work of art. The art of the sea. Ferretti Group. Passion, innovation, excellence.